another video, another Minecraft video. This is the Drake's vlog, by the way. So we're playing Minecraft, by the way. Now let's go play. Now let's go deactivate this and. Sorry guys, I burnt. It's so nasty burnt. Guys, I'm gonna build another house. So,
Mahal pa tuloy yung ano.
like a blue house or a pink house. Okay, let's do it. Right, either just skip this or something. Oh, never mind. No skip yes. Don't skip yet, okay? Don't skip yet.
Sa tikap.
Why not build an underwater base? It's not like you can drown. Bro, I already built an underwater base.
2-3 yun eh.
Hey, 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 hey! Mom! Turn off the music! Turn off the music! It's gonna be copyrighted!
Gusto niyan kasi green.
Oo. Ayan, kaya kung nasa iyo pinapipili. Ilang araw ko nang pinipili yan eh.
Just don't copyright me! Hey, edit, hey, YouTube, please don't copyright
Ano
me.
mo? I-mute mo.
Hindi ba
Mute?
nakita yun?
Ano yun?
Hindi niyo nakita yun?
Lasada ba yun?
Oo.
Ano ang lasada?
Mommy!
Lasada?
Mommy, there's no mute. There's no mute. Just get out. Oh, finally, okay.
Kiss. Ay,
May lipstick?
wala naman.
Bagay siya sugat mo. Ano naman?
Ito? Dito.
Ano naman?
Ay, uy. Nakasti.
Okay. So, wait. Building here again with a. Well, okay.
Kuryente lang.
Sorry, guys. What I was continuing. Let's build the TNT house. Okay. So, editor, please just skip this page. Guys, what should you think? This is the inside. Okay. Oh, shoot.
Sa ano siguro? Ito na.
This is the door.
Sa bago yun.
This is the downstairs. This is the second floor. This is the room. Right, this is all lit. I hope you enjoy
Bago
and
silang ano, pinapasikat na.
let's get out of this house real quick. And instead of 10, let's go build this up. Reaper. Let's blow this up. Let's go get the flint and steel. Let's go. Boom. Let's go. Boogs! Oh my gosh!
Mga kasama ko dun. Kapal na ako. Oo, magawa eh.
The TNT falling around.
Pag pinalagan mo, galit na galit din. Nabawian ko na nga lang ng parinig, mga real talk, mga ano.
Wait. Whoa! This is a big explosion. My game is lag. Oh. Hey you.
Tama, nung di ako sumama nung
Hey.
yung sa ano, yung retirement party nung isa.
Hey you.
Napakasimple lang ng problema. Hindi ko daw agad sinabi
Like
sa kanya.
you.
Sabi ko sir. Tapos sinabi mo agad sa akin yan. Na hindi ko pala sasama. Minedit mo na sana ako. Ano kayo, pupunta naman kasi ako dito sir eh. Nag-uusap pa naman tayo. Tsaka,
Okay.
oh
my God.
Sabado pa yan. Anong,
Blew it up!
eh hindi, sinabi ko na kasi.
Boogs!
Loob ko, tingnan mo yan.
Oh my
Gumagawa
gosh,
lang
look
ng-
at this.
Gumagawa lang siya ng galit
This is
sa
the
akin.
biggest explosion I ever
Kung
seen.
tutusin, wala namang
Let's
problema.
get more.
Oh, ano ba naman yung nalita? Nag-usap kami ngayon.
Okay guys,
Kinabukasan ko
let's
sinabi sa
go.
kanya. Ang gusto niya, dapat sinabi ko na daw nung gabi na hindi ako sasama. Para di niya daw